Pastor Warren here. Welcome to another edition of Mondays Are for the Dogs. We're somewhere in Algonquin. No idea. Well, kind of have an idea, but not really. We're near the police station, so that's good. We have some safety there, but we're in a set of woods that we've never been in before. And, we had a choice. There was one path that was wide open and straight. Looked kind of boring. And then there was this path that was windy and in the woods and was tempting. And so temptation was there at us, and we were drawn into temptation to go to a place somewhere new where it was just a little different, and we don't know exactly where we're at. And so this week in Lent, we've been talking a little bit about temptation and how, Satan tempted Jesus, and even in our lives, we're faced with temptation, and sometimes it feels like we can't get away from it, and we fall prey to it all the time. Well, there's a great passage that Paul gave to the Corinthians in 1 Corinthians 10:13 about temptation, and the fact that if you find yourself in it, God will find a way out. We will make a way out for you. And it says this. No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. So nothing new. And he says, and God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, he will always provide a way out so that you can endure it. So God is always there to provide a way out of temptation, even when you find yourself in the middle of it. So just know that God is with you, and he makes an escape for you. That's another way to say a way out. So I found this little deer run down here, down the path, and I don't know, I'm kind of tempted to go down there. I hope God provides a way out for us, but we're going to trust in his word and know that he will. We'll see you farther down the trail. We're going to go this way, guys. This way. See you later. Told you we'd find a way out. God's word is true. Have a blessed day in the Lord.